Well, Dr. Bilski, we just got done talking about dentures and will I need them one day? And well, if I want to eat, I might need them, but I know there's other. But hey, aside from that, the right way to clean dentures. I watch TV. I've seen the commercials. You gotta do it. Shh. That's the right way to clean dentures. So, thank you for joining us for this video. But no, okay.
Dr. Randy.
Yeah, I know. Now we're gonna hear what I got wrong. I may got something right though, right?
So
could do that.
Part of it,
okay.
You were right. You took the dentures out.
Okay. Well,
you didn't put the fizzy tablet in your mouth and swish it with water.
Hey, that would save time.
He probably
though.
would do that.
That would save time.
No, you don't do it.
Okay.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
Okay.
So the proper way that we found most people have success keeping their denture teeth clean is you take them out of your mouth and rinse them after you eat. Okay?
Every time?
Every time.
Okay.
And then at least one time a day, you get what we call denture cream. It's in a toothpaste.
Mm-hmm.
You want to stay away from toothpaste, like what you use on your normal teeth. Toothpaste has these little diatomaceous organisms, which means hard calcium type sandpaper things.
There's grit.
It's just gritty.
Yeah.
And it's in a paste with fluoride in it and a gel. And that would scratch the porcelain or acrylic denture material that we use.
Okay.
Not to be confused with porcelain veneers and that stuff, but it's a little different. And then you rinse that off after you brush with the cream. So you do the inside of the denture and the outside. Then you rinse it with not hot water, not ice cold water, but we usually say body temperature water. So
why is that?
The changes in temperature changes the composition a little bit of the material, so they could crack or be a little bit. You can warp them. Like if you use hot water, you could actually melt.
Yeah, I do that.
Warp them with the heat. And then I always say you can use the fizzy tabs as much as you want. However, I use a schedule Wednesday and Sundays, middle of the week, the end of the week. The reason for that is it is an antimicrobial fizz in there, and it kills the normal bugs that will attach to a plastic appliance that's removable that comes in and out. So you want to do that. Another option is if you don't want to use the denture cream, you get Dawn dishwashing liquid.
No kidding, really?
Because you use it to wash your plates and your dishes and your utensils, so it's safe. They use it on animals that are caught in the wilderness and those oil slicks, so it's safe, all right? And you use like a pea drop or the size of a number 2 pencil eraser. And you put that in there's a special brush that we give to you when you buy your dentures through us. And you scrub that just like you would use the denture cream and use the body temperature water, rinse it out. And then if it's at bedtime that you're doing that, we recommend that you keep your teeth out while you're sleeping. But I can tell you, married women or women in general typically keep them in. And there's some men that do that too. There's no judgment on that. It's just, we would like you to take them off, and we use the example, you take your glasses and your shoes off and socks when you go to bed.
Take your teeth out.
Take your teeth out, okay? Now, if you don't, we want them out for at least 20 to 45 minutes a day. So what does that mean? Well, you had them in all night, clean them up, put them in your fizzy tab if it's a Wednesday or Sunday, or daily if that's what you want to do. Hop in the shower or the bathtub, whatever you do. And then get yourself ready and dressed, and by the time you're ready to head off for your day, remember to pop your teeth in. And I think that's the most proper way. Now, those that follow that regimen, when they come in for their annual exam, they don't have teeth, we check things like, are there mouth cancers and facial cancers and things that we're seeing? How are the denture? Are there any cracks? Are you missing any teeth? Still an appointment. You're not getting your teeth cleaned, and that's it. Now, if you are horrible at following the practice of keeping your denture clean, we may have to keep that denture. And we send it to the laboratory. And they use a machine that, not sandblasts it, but removes any debris, calculus tartar that builds up on these teeth, any stains, and they come back virtually brand new.
Brand new, pretty nice.
So Then we have the discussion because you're paying for that cleaning part of the denture. It's not expensive, but you have to give your teeth out.
Sure.
So, and those are other discussions. Do you want us to make you another second set when you get your first set?
Yeah,
So
sure. The spare
you
backup
break
sort of
when
thing.
you lose it. Your dogs love to chew on these.
But that's
The plastic.
that is a wonderful smile to your dog, like nothing.
It is not a good smell. But they love it. So,
No kidding.
but yeah, that's what I read.
Well, this is all good to know, and appreciate you sharing that. And if there's anything you learned, it's never to listen to me. So do not be popping that fizzy tablet into your mouth and swishing. I thought it would save time.
Yeah, it's not. Well, never mind. I'm too old.
Well, be sure
Zots.
to. Yeah.
You know what Zots are? Remember?
Oh, heck, I remember those. Yeah.
The fizzy tablets.
I think you can still get those at like the old candy stores. You know, the old
BA
fashioned.
Sweetie. I think
Yeah.
you can probably.
Yeah. Free.
That's the more important part of this.
Free plug for BA Sweet. That's great.
Yeah, that's the most important part of our discussion is don't put the fizzy tab in your mouth, but go to BA Sweetie to get the fizzy Zots.
We hope this has been a public service announcement from Dr. Bilski. So,
Thank you.